everyone, Roger here. If you love real travel, the kind with good stories, practical tips, and no fluff, you're in the right place. Let's hit the road. Thinking about taking an overnight trip on the Amtrak Coast Starlight or Empire Builder? Then you need to see this honest, up-close look at what it's really like to travel in a Superliner Coach seat, especially if you're taller than 5 feet 6 inches. In just 2 minutes and 30 seconds, I'll show you the seat, how it works, its biggest flaws for sleeping, and a quick walk to the observation car the next morning. Let's take a look. First, you can see the orange card with SEA, handwritten by the conductor, placed above my seat. That means I'm booked all the way to Seattle, the final stop of the Coast Starlight. This is a standard Superliner Coach seat. It looks spacious with plenty of legroom and elbow space. My seat was on the window side. Here are the two levers. The lower one controls the footrest, and the upper one reclines the seat back for a sleeping position. However, here's the reality. Even with the footrest fully extended, my feet were still dangling off the end. The footrest only supports up to the middle of my calves. For anyone taller than 5 feet 6 inches, this seat is simply not designed well for overnight sleeping. On my first long-distance Superliner trip, I barely got any sleep, and I later experienced the same thing on the Empire Builder from Seattle to Chicago. You can even see how wrinkled my pants got below the knees from trying to get comfortable. Now, let me show you something practical: how to open the doors between cars using your foot. Since I was in the first seat, the door is just a few steps away. You simply kick the large black plate at the lower right to open it. Walking through the vestibule into the next car, you can see the blue night safety lights glowing on the carpet. Then I head all the way forward to the observation car. Notice the big difference in lighting. Bright daylight floods in through the huge windows, while the coach cars are still dimly lit. The observation car was quite crowded with people enjoying the views. I found a seat on the right side, sat down, and got ready to record another beautiful day on the Coast Starlight. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. See you on the next travel adventure.